Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. Do you like saving money? Do you like buying in bulk? Then today I'm going to tell you about a private club you can join to buy groceries in absurd bulk quantities. It's called Costco. No. Cut. We're not doing a video about Costco, but today's video is about saving money by buying in bulk. If you like the idea of saving money, you'll want to stay tuned to learn how to buy your Epson warranties at a volume discount. Whenever you're buying a new printer, it's easy to get caught up in the print speeds, the image quality, the ink costs, and all the other important variables to consider, and then totally forget about the service component. It's really important to understand a printer's warranty. What does it cover? How long does it last? And what are the options after the factory warranty expires? Most Epson SureColor printers come with a 1-year factory warranty. There are a few exceptions that we won't cover in this video, but in 99% of cases, this 1-year factory warranty is bumper to bumper, covering parts and labor. When service calls are placed, Epson overnights required parts and dispatches a technician to meet the parts on site within 24 to 48 hours. Anytime within that first year of factory warranty, customers have the option to add an extended service plan. The extended service plan extends the same factory warranty coverage for additional years. So all parts and labor are still covered, and Epson still overnights parts and sends a technician within 24 to 48 hours. It used to be that Epson would allow customers to purchase 2 years of extended service plans for a total of 3 years of coverage from the date of the printer's installation. Last year, Epson began making their printers eligible for warranties for up to 5 years, the 1-year factory warranty plus 4 more years via the extended service plans. This addition of 2 more eligible years is a real testament to Epson's confidence in their new printer platforms and their expected reliability. So you may be thinking, so far this video is pretty boring and you haven't told me anything about saving money by buying in bulk. And you're right. Thanks for your patience. So, how can you save money on Epson extended service plans? Epson has introduced a new SKU to purchase extended service plans. They're calling this the Epson Preferred Plus Max plan. So what takes these new service plans to the max? Well, instead of purchasing these service plans in 1-year increments, the Max plans are purchased in 4-year increments. This bulk purchase of 4 warranty years comes with a bulk discount. The Epson Preferred Plus Max plans will save you 25% versus buying the same warranty 1 year at a time. The Max plans carry the same bumper-to-bumper warranty and the same 24 to 48 hour response time, but at a 25% discount. So what's the catch? Well, there's no catch, but there is one restriction. First, the Max plans must be purchased at the same time as the purchase of the new printer. That's important, and Epson says there will be no exceptions. We have to order the Epson Preferred Plus Max plan on the same invoice as the printer purchase. This makes sense because what makes these service plans Max plans is that it covers the printer for the maximum amount of time. The maximum coverage on Epson's SureColor printers is 5 years. So by buying the Max plan at the time of the printer purchase, you are getting 1 year factory warranty plus 4 years of extended service coverage for a total of 5 years. So let's run through an example. When you buy an Epson SureColor P9570, right now you will pay $4,995 for the printer. It will come with 1 year of factory warranty. If you decide not to purchase the Epson Max plan, you will have the option to buy 1-year extended service plans for $1,100 each. On the other hand, if you purchase that same Epson P9570 today, but do opt for the Epson Preferred Plus Max plan, you would pay $3,297 for 4 years of coverage, or $824.25 per year. This is a 25% savings and comes to $1,000 in total savings for 5 years of coverage. In the case of more expensive solvent and dye sub printers, the savings by purchasing Max plans adds up even more. Buying a Max plan for the Epson F9470 or the Epson S8600 will save you over $3,500. The Epson Preferred Plus Max plan could be a great way for you to save money and make sure your new printer investment is covered in the event that it needs repair. If you're looking at buying a new Epson SureColor printer, this is something you'll want to weigh with your IT Supplies sales rep. Whether you're buying a P-Series photo printer, a T-Series technical printer, an F-Series sublimation or DTG printer, an S-Series solvent printer, or the new R-Series resin printers, make sure the company that you buy your printers from is giving you this Max plan option. We'd love to be the company to sell and support your newest printer purchase. Check out itsupplies.com for all the ways to reach our team. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.